I'm Gene Craig, presently from Andrews, North Carolina, and I finished my treatments October 8th of 2009 at RCOG, and I am thrilled with the results that I've had there. When I got my results from my urologist that I did in fact have prostate cancer, a niece who lives close to us, 15 miles or so, heard about it, and she was much more scared of it than I was. It didn't really scare me, but it scared her. A friend of hers had been to RCOG a year sooner. She contacted him, got a brochure from him and the DVD, and within 2 days she had given it to me. And then I watched that DVD, read through the brochure, watched the DVD a second time, told my wife that's where we're going. I did, in fact, when the urologist that I went to actually gave me 2 books about prostate cancer. One of them is from the company, Abbott Laboratories, that I retired from. And I read through that, and there's lots of options out there. And some of them are scarier than others, the side effects that vary from one to the other. And I've never been really excited about drugs. I didn't want to do that kind of a thing, even though I retired from a drug company. No, we just felt it was the Lord's leading that it was right for me to come here to Atlanta. Mostly the side effects, what they don't have the side effects where the other treatments do. My urologist said if you want to have it removed, then come back and see me. I'm the person to do it, but he's the one to inform me. He said there's other options out there. You have time. It's not something you have to do this week. Take a month or 2. He did suggest that I get a Lupron shot, which I did, and that's the only thing that I've had any side effects from, is that Lupron shot. I have had men ask me about ProstRcision, and unfortunately when you tell them what it's a combination of, and you try to explain to them, as in the booklet does, that it's low-dose radiation, it's not typical what most other doctors do. I've had some tell me, oh, I had that same thing done. And I said, well, where did you have it done? Well, right here in our hometown. I said, no, then you did not have ProstRcision done. You had beam radiation possibly, but there's a world of difference between just getting general radiation and the ProstRcision combined with the seed implants. Some of them do seed implants afterwards, and that does not have the same benefit or effect either. Would I recommend ProstRcision? Not only would I, but I have. I have spoken to several people. I've given out at least a half a dozen of their pamphlets and the DVDs, and shared on the phone with a couple of people. And I am thrilled. Now, not everybody is as thrilled about it as I am. They have other doctors that most men, unfortunately, take whatever advice their doctor gives them. Now, I guess that can be reversed.